Namaste, I am Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you to this Sunday special episode of Yoga with Acharya Pratishtha. I'm traveling and I could not make a Sunday episode this week, but I just thought that you all must be waiting for the Sunday episode. So I decided to make this very small, useful episode for all of you where we'll be talking about 5 myths about weight loss because many people have even asked about it. So, the very first myth about weight loss is that you must accept to feel hungry if you want to lose weight. आपको आदत होनी चाहिए भूख को झेलने की अगर आप weight loss करना चाहते हैं. So this is absolutely wrong. You don't need to feel hungry to lose weight. Rather, you should be eating right if you want to lose weight. Second myth is if I exercise a lot, I can eat anything. Most of the people think if I'm doing regular yoga abhyas, if I'm doing running, if I'm doing a lot of other forms of exercises, I can eat whatever I want. But if you're healthy, your weight is absolutely okay, you are exercising good, you are eating, that is okay. But if you really want to lose weight, ये सीधा सीधा आमदनी और खर्चे का हिसाब है. It is about income and expenditure. तो जितना आपका इनकम है उससे ज़्यादा एक्सपेंडिचर होगा तभी आप वेट लॉस कर पाएंगे. वट एवर योर इनकम इज मेक श्योर दैट योर एक्सपेंडिचर इज मोर देन दैट, देन ओनली यू कैन लूज वेट. सो इफ यू आर एक्सरसाइजिंग, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू शुड हैव प्रॉपर डाइट along with the proper exercise. In fact, most of the people think कि हम एक ही जैसा weight loss का जो भी exercise regime हम कर रहे हैं, चाहे योगाभ्यास कर रहे हैं, डांसिंग कर रहे हैं और एनी अदर फॉर्म, सो वी जनरली फील कि रोज़ एक ही चीज़ करते रहेंगे तो हम बहुत स्टेगनेंट हो जाता है, बहुत हमें कुछ समय बाद. इसीलिए जो हमारे साधक हैं, जो आश्रम आते हैं, वेट लॉस करना चाहते हैं, सो आफ्टर एवरी 15 डे वी चेंज देयर शेड्यूल so that they lose weight even more easily. Third is drinking plenty of water promotes weight loss. Yes, this is absolutely true, and you must have seen in most of my videos, I've been talking about drinking water, keeping yourself hydrated, because drinking water is very, very important, not only for weight loss. See, our body is made of 5 elements, and I have spoken a lot about the benefits of 5 elements and staying in connection with 5 elements. So, water is one of those 5 elements. I won't go to the benefits of 5 elements in this video, but yes, if you really want to lose weight, this is absolutely true. More you drink water, more it's easy to lose weight. So, keep yourself hydrated. Fourth is eating a lot of fiber is beneficial in weight loss. Absolutely true. Jitna fiber aap khayenge. You must have also seen in my videos, I always talk about eat salads, eat raw food, eat the food in the best possible way the nature has given you. प्रकृति ने आपको जिस रूप में भोजन दिया है उसमें उसका सेवन जितना अधिक हम करेंगे हम स्वस्थ रहेंगे. So it is very very important that you take fiber, and when we talk about fiber, it should be fruits, it should be vegetables, or let's make it very simple, anything that nature has given you. प्रकृति से जो भी प्राप्त हुआ है उसको उसके नियरेस्ट फॉर्म में लेना. Nearest form in which you have got it from mother nature is most beneficial, not only for weight loss but also to keep yourself healthy. Fifth is losing weight or weight loss helps you in preventing lots and lots of chronic diseases. Yes, this is true. Generally, people say that it's not important. Somebody is thin is healthier, and somebody who has excess weight is unhealthy. Okay, fine. This might not be true that somebody is thin is healthier, but this is true if you have excess weight. You have the tendency, that means you are inclined towards having more and more diseases, because excess of weight or overweight is a cause to many, many other problems. So, if you lose weight, it is true that many of your chronic diseases can be cured, but make sure that you, as I have told you, these are the 5 myths in today's video. I have already shared one video on 5 easy ways to lose weight. I have also shared 10 easy ways to lose weight. I have also shared some natural ways to lose weight. Make sure that taking supplements, weight loss supplements, and anything which is not natural is something which is not, you might lose weight, but this is something which will be not good in long term, and you might get more of different diseases if you take anything unnatural or you do anything unnatural for losing weight. It's not, there is no rocket science in losing weight. If you follow a yogic lifestyle, you can lose weight very easily. You can come to our ashram, you can visit our ashram. Now, very soon, retreats will be operational because COVID situation is much, much better, much, much under control. And then you can visit our ashram, enjoy 3 to 5 days of detoxification and absolute bliss. And then you will not only lose weight, but you will also feel light, you will feel glowing, you will feel beautiful, and you will feel healthy and happy. So that's all for today's Sunday episode. I try to connect to you more and more as much as possible. Even while traveling, I thought of making this episode for you. Keep sending your requests, and we have also received several requests through our Instagram messaging, which I shared in the last video. And very soon we'll be making solution videos for those who have shared their problems. You can also share your problem. If you have any problem related to your health, related to your life, please share with us. Send me an Instagram message at Instagram page Acharya Pratishtaji. All of this is handled by my ashram, my team, so I just don't remember the names. But it's Acharya Pratishtaji Instagram page. So Instagram account, just send me a message video अपना एक 30 सेकंड का छोटा सा वीडियो बना करके हमें इंस्टाग्राम पर मैसेज कीजिए एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली कम अप विद द सॉल्यूशंस इन द कमिंग वीडियोस. थैंक यू सो मच. धन्यवाद. हरिओम. जय हिंद.